Do you want to learn how to write a love letter in Spanish? Let's learn some useful words and sentences to make you be able to write the most beautiful and amazing love letter, okay? Let's get started. But before, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, let's start. So the first thing, I love you, right? We can say, te quiero, te amo, te adoro. Next one, I like you, me gustas, me encantas, estoy loco or loca por ti. That one means I'm crazy about you, okay? Next one, te quiero para siempre. Te quiero para toda la vida, okay? Like forever, I will love you forever. Another one, eres el amor de mi vida. You are the love of my life, okay? Estoy enamorado or enamorada de ti hasta la médula. That means that you're so in love with someone, okay? Another one, do you want to go out with me? Okay, ¿quieres salir conmigo? Like in a date. Date is cita, okay? ¿Te quieres casar conmigo? Do you want to marry me? Okay? And the last one we're going to study today is nunca pensé que este tipo de amor pudiera existir. I never thought this kind of love was ever possible, okay? Was possible. So, you got it! Now you know some useful words and sentences to be able to write the most beautiful and amazing love letter. Are you going to do it? Let me know in the comments down below.